has a Cronus. Oh my.
Has a Cronus. Oh my god, he has a Cronus. Not only do you have the dogs up, but you are literally Cronus. Jesus Christ. Why are you guys typing W Cronus? Guys, we do not condone that. Next setup. This guy's watching Zim. This was before Zim got permanently banned. R.I.P. Zim, man. Next setup of the day. He's on about an 8-inch monitor here with a PlayStation. Next set. I'm trying really hard not to lose my shit right here. Can you please, for the love of God, stop sending me feet pics, chat? I don't want to look at your feet. Stop sending me feet pics. Seriously. At least he has the socks on. This is fucking insane. Is that a PlayStation 2?